You might not realize it, but the vagus nerve plays a surprisingly big role in both weight gain and weight loss. That's because it connects the brain to the gut, the liver, the pancreas, and even fat tissue. Let me break down how it all ties together. First, stress and cortisol. When the vagus nerve isn't functioning well, stress hormones like cortisol stay elevated. And we all know what that does. It ramps up appetite, especially for sugar and fatty foods, and drives fat storage right in the belly. Second, inflammation and insulin resistance. A healthy vagus nerve calms inflammation in the body, but if it's weak, inflammation goes up. That makes your cells resistant to insulin, which means more sugar gets stored as fat instead of being burned for energy. Over time, this fuels weight gain. Third, blood sugar regulation. The vagus nerve also helps control how your pancreas releases insulin. When that signaling is off, you get blood sugar spikes and crashes. That's what triggers cravings, overeating, and eventually more weight gain. Fourth, gut-brain communication. The vagus nerve literally carries the messages of hunger and fullness from your gut to your brain. If it's not working properly, your brain doesn't know when you're full. That makes it way too easy to overeat without realizing it. And fifth, fat burning. The vagus nerve helps activate something called brown adipose tissue, or BAT. This is the type of fat that burns calories for heat and energy instead of storing them. When the vagus nerve isn't active, BAT stays sluggish, and your body stores more fat instead of burning it. So here's the big picture. When vagus nerve activity is weak, you get stress-driven eating, insulin resistance, and sluggish fat burning, all of which pile on the pounds. But when you activate the vagus nerve, you support metabolic balance, appetite control, and better fat burning. If you're curious about how to naturally activate your vagus nerve and finally take control of your weight, I've got something powerful to share with you. Let's talk.